फ्रेंड्स, यू आर वाचिंग ई बायो पाठशाला। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं मेल गैमेटोफाइट के बारे में, दैट इज पोलन ग्रेन। पोलन ग्रेन इज प्रोड्यूस व्हेन एंथर रीच एट मैच्योरिटी लेवल। दिस इज द एंथर। व्हेन एंथर रीच एट मैच्योरिटी लेवल, it produce pollen grain. This is the filament. Filament is a structure which attach the anther, and this is connective. Connective is a portion which connect the anther and the filament. Pollen grain are produced when PMC undergo meiosis. PMC means pollen mother cell. When pollen mother cell undergo meiosis, that is reductional division, pollen grain are produced. Pollen grain, when pollen grain reach at maturity level, it contains two layers. The outer one called exine, and the inner one is called intone. The exine is made up of sporopollenin, sporopollenin is the hardest organic material found in the nature. Intine is made up of cellulose and pectin. This is the outer layer called exine, and this is the inner one layer called intine. When PMC undergo meiosis, the cell of the pollen grain have densely packed, contain a nucleus and the cytoplasm. In the pollen grain, the protoplast undergo division and form two types of cells, generative cells and the vegetative cells. Protoplast of the cell undergo division. This division is mitotically, that means equational division. It form two types of cell. Vegetative cell is larger in size. And contain reserve food material. And generative cell is smaller in size. And form spindle formation. This is the outer layer exine, and this is inner layer intine. This is the nucleus of the pollen grain, and that is the vacuoles. This is the structure of pollen grain. This is outer layer, exine. This is inner layer, intone. And that is the vacuoles which helps the pollen grain in enlargement and the cell division. In this structure, the vacuole get more and more enlarged, which helps in the pollen division. In, in that diagram, you will clearly see that the vegetative cells is larger in size and has a prominent nucleus, and this is the generative cell and have a nucleus and the dense cytoplasm. The generative cell undergo division and form two gametes. This stage is called three cell stage.